When charging your two-way radios, it is common to see the battery light change occasionally. Unless you've researched your handhelds before use, it is difficult to really understand what may be happening. Battery diagnostics begins with understanding what the colored lights from green to orange to red mean and why they may be steady or flashing. So let's get into it. A single, steady green light indicates that the charger has 100% power. When the battery light is flashing red, the battery is not making proper contact with the charger. In this case, simply adjust the radio to properly fit into the charger. Also be sure that your radio is powered off in order to reach a full charge. Flashing orange means that the battery is recognized by the charger, but it is waiting to charge until conditions are optimal. A steady red battery light shows that the battery is currently in rapid charge mode. A flashing green light indicates that the battery charge is almost complete and it has reached 90%. Leave the radio in the charger as it will continue to charge to 100%. When you see a red or green flashing light, the battery is fully charged. However, while the radio is still usable, the battery may be at the end of its service life. Now would be the time to purchase replacement batteries. A steady green light indicates that the battery is charged to 100%. When the battery light is a consistent orange, the battery is in recondition or in initialization mode. The amount of time that the charger remains in this mode depends on the amount of charge remaining on the battery. Fully charged batteries tend to take more time to recondition than fully discharged or depleted batteries. For more information on two-way radio chargers, replacement batteries, or how to troubleshoot these products, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or explore our YouTube channel for more how-tos and troubleshooting tips.